Welcome back to another video, Adoreme babe. In this video, we are attempting a half up, half down. Now, I say attempting because this is my very first time doing this style on my hair. So let's just see how good I can do it. Just doing some big braids in the back. Those braids in the back does not have to be neat at all because, of course, it will be covered up. We're going to be using the Shake and Go Organic Master Mix in 24, 26, and 28. Y'all, that hair felt so good. It was nice and silky, and baby, it had some texture to it. It felt like relaxed, blown out hair, and the hair performed very well too. This is synthetic hair, and I'm very surprised and pleased at how that hair performed. And so now what I'm doing is I am pressing out the front of my hair. Y'all know I have 4B/C hair. And so with the sleek ponytail, you want to make sure everything is nice and straight and sleek, of course. So I'm going to press out the front of my hair. And I won't show you all of it. I'll show you all exactly what I'm doing to get it as straight as I could possibly get it. And then we'll jump right into the ponytail.
You are both my son and you are a piece of my soul. So why would you betray your loving father?
I'm surprised you ask. I mean, you know the answer to that better than anyone, Dad.
Don't drop it fast. Baby be supersonic. Get your gas mask. All them niggas told us drop it. Boy, this fast cash. Venmo me them economics. Get the garden in the period. With my lady, I'ma marry her.
So what I'm doing right here is I am parting out where I want my baby hairs to lay, you know, that baby hair effect, and I wanted like those fluffy, thick baby hairs, so I'm just parting out where I want those to lay.
Don't forget I'm from the west side, south central, slow it up, while I'm bending corners on that super bounce. Don't drop it fast, baby be supersonic. Get your gas mask, all them niggas told us drop it. Boy, this fast cash, Venmo me the economics.
And y'all, the back of my hair, I had to go off of filling because, like, y'all, that was the first difficult part for me. Like, first of all, not getting that glue. You know where you put the glue at to where you want your tracks to start. Not getting that glue on the hair I just pressed out. So I really had to go off of filling in this part. This is the most difficult part for me.
She look like 90s R&B. Her friends like SWV. Took the weave out and left it short.
And y'all remember when doing this part, you want to make sure those tracks are curved at the end. That is the most important part in getting your tracks to not show when your hair is in a half up, half down style. Making sure those tracks are curved in.
All these years never said anything. Knowing me is probably not hard to tell. I could lose seeing you gasoline on all my nights sleeping well. Damn, just a crush. Damn, it's just a little baby crush. Damn, it's just a crush. Damn, it's just a little baby crush.
ponytail. And y'all, I seen this trick on, I want to say Pinterest, and the girl was using beeswax to hold the hair. Now the point of using beeswax is so you won't have that flaky film from the Got2b spray. And it worked okay. I did still see a little bit of white flakes from it, but it worked okay.
Can't be mad, my business out in the street. I still hope you come and see for yourself.
The beeswax did well with not reverting my hair back to its curly state. You know, if I would have used edge control, my hair would have started to curl back up. With the beeswax, it didn't. So with doing this style, you want to make sure you are blow drying everything into place just to make sure you get the ponytail as sleek as possible. So you want to make sure you put the beeswax and then the Got2b spray and then blow dry everything down in place for that really sleek look.
My heart can't take no more. I keep on going back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cool without you.
Taking my time on this part, y'all, just to make sure my ponytail is exactly how I want it. Blow dry, Got2b. Blow dry, Got2b, and then brush. I'm really taking my time with this part.
See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you.
And of course my battery died, so y'all didn't get to see me break down my ponytail, and I didn't have any of those paper wraps. So girl, what I did was, so listen. What I did was I took a stocking cap, because I got stocking caps all over the place. I took a stocking cap and wrapped it around my hair, just so the glue won't get on my hair. And this is the second most difficult part. Girl, wrapping this ponytail on your own head, that part was so difficult for me. I was getting so frustrated, but I did it, and it took some time to get it exactly how I wanted it, because I am a perfectionist. Girl, just trust the process and just keep going. Don't give up. But this part right here will be a little difficult.
You don't cast, last, now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by fault and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, is out, though. I'm a mind that's with the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that get both. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo. Don't cry, yo.
And y'all, right here, I did get a little bit of that glue on my hair. I was so upset. But at this point, I was just over that ponytail, and I just wanted to get it done, girl. I wanted to get that ponytail in my head, and we finally did it. So this part here, we're going to take a little piece of that weave from the ponytail, and we're just going to wrap around just so no tracks will show. And the key to getting that part that's wrapped around the ponytail to stay, you put a little bit of the glue on the hair, a little bit of this Got2b spray, and you just wrap it around and get it as tight as you possibly can, and it will stay. Blow dry it and it will stay, girl.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm living my bands. Like a million.
Y'all, I'm still so surprised at how well that hair performed. That hair looks so good. Listen, that hair was so soft. And of course, this is not sponsored yet, baby. Okay, speaking into existence. But I bought the hair with my own little coin, and it was only $27 at the most, $30, baby. That hair performed so well. And I'm gonna show y'all a week later update of how that hair looked a week later.
Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fakes. And they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch when I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like one, let's keep it a buck. Too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup, pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
So y'all, we are all done with the style. This is just me brushing it out and playing in it just to see how it looks. This is my very first time with a half up, half down. I've never done it before. And girl, I got so many compliments on this look. It's crazy. I got so many compliments on this look. And I am in love. Look at that hair. That hair did so good, girl. The hair did so good.
I did it all for you.
And this is the hair a week later. It did get just a little bit oily, but I still feel like it looks so good. I think it looks even more natural a week later. You know, as you wear it out, and as you comb it, and as you do whatever you do to your hair, it still looks so good. And that's it for the video, y'all. I will see y'all in the next video, honey.
Got nothing on you. You got nothing on you. You can love.